Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Hope you had a wonderful week. So today I have a couple of things that we have to do, and I thought if I film this. But as you remember, a few videos before, I told you that I showed the sculpture that my parents got for me for my birthday. So today it's actually a really exciting day because we are going to, George and I are going to put this on our pedestal. And I tell you what, I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time because been waiting to actually have this sculpture to put in. It takes time, and this pedestal that I have here used to be just kind of a crumbling fountain in a garden, just kind of randomly somewhere, and when I started building the garden and making the beds, etc., we decided to go ahead and break down the fountain because it was all crumbling, and haul it away. And so, but the pedestal looked really good, so we decided to go ahead and place him here in this flower bed. And so eventually one day I was hoping to get the sculpture, which I got for my birthday. It was very, very nice gift. It was very exciting. And so really I just wanted to show you today that we are going to put the sculpture. What we did, I already put some silicone down, so we'll go ahead and place the sculpture and see how it looks. And then I just have to fill up these two containers here, and I thought I can just film that. We'll just come around afterwards and just get this done, and I'll show you what I'm going to plant here as well. So we'll just go ahead, and it's kind of getting chilly here, so and the sun was out. It was really nice, but it's starting to get chilly, so we're gonna go ahead and get started so we can get everything done before it gets not comfortable outside. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get it done. Okay.
Keep going, you guys. Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay. Oh,
come back.
Take him, George. I can't.
Oh. Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Want me to help you and Nvart help me push up from here. Okay. Watch out. Me.
Be careful.
Okay.
The other way.
Okay, we got to
the other way.
Turn. Yeah.
Let me see how it looks first. Okay guys, so we went ahead and placed the sculpture on the pedestal, and I have to tell you it was some effort because we had to bring our stepson. We had to, all three of us, we had to try to bring the statue because it was kind of heavy, but I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I think it's kind of tall, but I really like it. Especially imagine in the summertime or the spring where everything is full here and growing, so it's going to be really, really beautiful. I'm beyond being excited. So here it is. I've been waiting for this like maybe about 4 years to have this here. So anyway, garden is actually looking really good. Today I noticed that the leaves are already crumbled up and falling, but the Japanese maples are just, it was so beautiful here. I had so much color. Even you can see some of the dogwood. Dogwood still has some of the red colors. I mean, garden was really, really pretty. It's kind of a messy season right now, but the colors, were still really gorgeous. Anyway, let's go ahead and go to my containers. I have a few things that I want to plant. I have ornamental cabbages here that I'm going to plant. I have some cyclamen, Japanese splendor, I think. I have to look. And Inca, double Inca. So, and I did choose some little bright colors just because, as I said last time, this time of the season when all the leaves start dropping, I have to cut lots of things out, clean up the garden, and then, it stays really beautiful and green here, but there is not much color at all. So I'm excited to have a few areas around the garden that I can, have color, and so I think it's going to be really pretty. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get this started here. Okay guys, so I didn't have enough pansies. I think I need to go ahead and get some more pansies maybe tomorrow because today is Sunday. I hope I can find the same color. If not, I'll just probably try to go every other one, maybe just, I don't know, even pop of orange or something. I'm not sure. Or orange, or maybe blue yellow. I'm not exactly sure. We'll see what they have at the garden center, but I think it's looking really good. I just thought that these containers are bigger than I thought, so I thought I will have enough pansies, but I don't. I just need to go around a little more and then maybe even fill in, and honestly I'm not sure because pansies can fill in also and become big, so this I may not even need to go in between. I think I just need a couple of in a bag and then maybe 2 or 3 on the other one. But for overall, I think it's looking really good. It's kind of messy. I have to pick up my mess, but really it turned out really, really nice. I need to add more soil there. And this is a simple containers, but this will carry for us. This will go all the way until June. So it's really worthwhile for me to change my containers seasonally, because I mean it's good few months I can still enjoy these containers and have this beautiful color here. It's a good long time for me to to be able, if I'm investing, I will enjoy it for a long time. So honestly, this is really beautiful. So I hope you guys like that. It's like I said, it's simple. It's not a lot of effort, but you can make a really nice containers for the season. So hope you guys like this video. It was sorry it's a little short today, but I'm really excited about the sculpture. It's in place, and my containers are filled. I have the other containers are still doing really good, and I'm looking forward to just kind of clean up all the peonies. I will do another video for fall maintenance. The reason I haven't really done anything yet because I have to cut these guys and fertilize them, and then I just cover everything with the compost. After all the leaves are done, everything will be nice and neat here. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful week, and it's Thanksgiving time. Thanksgiving time is coming up, so hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and and don't forget to subscribe to my videos if you like them, and have a wonderful week. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.